Good morning, class 4 students. Hope you are doing well and staying safe and staying healthy. Today, children, we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is How Our Body Works. So, children, you know that our body is covered with skin. Do you know what lies under the skin? Under the skin lies muscles, and under the muscles there are bones. The bones protect many organs that lie inside the body. You can see some organs in these pictures like brain, bones, skin, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, muscles, etc. Parts of the body that have special jobs to do are called organs like eyes, skin, lungs, etc. And organs that work together form an organ system. We are going to learn about the organ system in this chapter. The digestive system. The food we eat cannot be used by our body as it is. So children, it has to be turned into a simple liquid form before it can be used by our body. So the process by which food changes into a form that the body can absorb is called digestion. And many organs work together to digest the food we eat. Together they form the digestive system. You can see the organs in this picture that helps in digestion and they form the digestive system. The organs that form the digestive system or that helps to digest the food are the mouth, the stomach, the small intestine, the liver and the large intestine. Let us take one by one. The first organ is the mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth break the food into small pieces when we chew. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is the liquid in the mouth that we generally call spit. It helps to digest food. When we swallow, the pasty food mixed with saliva gets pushed into the food pipe. The organs that form the digestive system or that helps to digest the food are the mouth, the stomach, the small intestine, the liver and the large intestine. Let us take one by one. The first organ is the mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth. The teeth break the food into small pieces when we chew. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is the liquid in the mouth that we generally call spit. It helps to digest food. When we swallow, the pasty food mixed with saliva gets pushed into the food pipe. Let's learn about the teeth and the mouth. Children, when we open our mouth and look into the mirror, we see that our mouth has two parts. These two parts are known as jaws. The two jaws have the same number of teeth, but all our teeth do not look alike. They do not have the same job either, means their function is different. The four front teeth in each jaw have sharp edges. These are known as incisors. We use the incisors to bite into our food. On each side of the incisors are pointed teeth called canines. We use these to tear food. There are 4 canines in all. Next to each canine, there are 5 large flat teeth. The first 2 are smaller and are called premolars. The next 3 are larger and are called molars. We use these teeth for chewing and grinding. There are 8 premolars and 12 molars in all. Young people have only 8 molars. The last 2 molars at the end of each jaw come out by the time a person is about 21. Babies are born without teeth. That is why they can have only milk. Teeth start growing out of the gums when a baby is about 6 months old. By the age of 3, a child has 20 teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth. Milk teeth start falling when a child is about 6. The teeth that grow in their place are called permanent teeth. The second organ is the stomach. From the mouth, the food gets pushed into the food pipe and then down it goes into the stomach. The stomach is like a J-shaped bag. When food reaches the stomach contracts and relaxes gently. This helps to mix the food with the juices made by the stomach. You could compare the stomach with a mixer. The juices digest the food and turn it into a thick soup, but this soup is still not in a form that the body can absorb. It has to be digested further. The stomach, the soupy food goes into a long coiled tube. This tube is called the small intestine. The liver is the biggest organ of our body. It makes a juice that helps to digest food. This juice passes into the small intestine through a tube. The juices in the small intestine complete the job of digestion. Then blood picks up the digested food and carries it to different parts of the body. All the food that we eat cannot be digested by the body. What cannot be digested passes into the large intestine. It is a larger and wider tube than the small intestine. The waste collected by the large intestine leaves our body as stool. You could say that large intestine is the dustbin of the body.